Welcome everyone to today's quick guide on how to log out of Pinterest. Whether you're on your phone or tablet, I'm here to walk you through the updated steps to ensure your account is secure when you're done browsing. Pinterest, like other social platforms, usually keeps you signed in for easy access. But if you're using a shared device or just want that extra peace of mind, logging out is a smart move. So, let's jump right into it. First, open the Pinterest app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Make sure you're on the main screen, where you usually see your feed. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the word Saved. Tap on it. This will take you to your profile. Once you're on your profile, look for your profile icon at the top left of the page. Tap it. This will open your account settings. Now, scroll down through the options. Towards the bottom, you'll find the Logout button. Tap on that. And that's it. You're now safely logged out of your Pinterest account. You'll be taken back to the login screen, ready for the next time you want to get inspired. If you're using a web browser on a computer, the process is slightly different, but just as easy. You can log out of Pinterest by taking the cursor to the profile icon on the top right corner. Click on it. Move your cursor to the three dots on the top middle of the screen. Click on it, and select Log Out. Remember, logging out is a simple step that can make a big difference in keeping your account secure, especially on shared devices. So, get into the habit of logging out whenever you need to. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.